and happy Vlogmas day 6. This morning, I'm actually not having my usual oatmeal. I'm having berries with Greek yogurt and honey on top. But of course, I have my usual matcha. We had some leftover Greek yogurt from when we made that tortellini soup a couple vlogs back. So I decided to eat the rest today for breakfast. And today, I don't have a lot planned again, but we'll see where the day takes us. Hi guys, so it is much later in the afternoon now. I basically didn't do anything today except work. I edited some videos for clients and now I just got something in the mail. So I want to test it out. I got a bunch of these Velcro hair rollers. Let me show you the setup. I'm also editing yesterday's Vlogmas right now, trying to get it up today. But I'm taking a little break to try to do my hair and test out these rollers. So the package came with like a ton of these rollers. So there's like 6 sets here, but each set has like 4 different rollers in it, like so. And it also came with a ton of clips, which is very helpful. So I really want to test it out today. I recently cut my hair and gave myself curtain bangs, and I've been loving them. But I was very impulsive last week, so I cut them myself, and they're pretty cute. I will say, I think I cut them a little bit too thick, like it's quite chunky, but it's fine. So I'm gonna set up my hair curler. The brand is by Hosan. I just found it on Amazon. It's a 1-inch barrel, but it's like extra long, so it's good for if you have long hair because it's longer than normal barrel sizes. So I am going to curl my hair and then put it up in the rollers. I usually just use a curling iron, but I want to try using rollers because I kind of want to try achieve more of that blowout look. And I don't want to have to spend a ton of money on like a Dyson Airwrap or anything. This was $14.99 on Amazon, so if this works, I'll be super happy. I separated the rollers, so I have all the yellow ones here and all the purple ones here. I don't think I'm going to use the magenta and the pink ones just because I think they're too small for what I'm trying to achieve. Okay, so here's the before. So I think I'm just going to split my hair in half. So I just split it in half like this. But then I'm going to start with the top section. So I'm just going to tie off the bottom section so it doesn't get in the way. So ideally, this would take 3 sections because I only have 6 purple rollers. And I want to use the purple rollers for this top section. So I'm going to loosely split it into 3 sections. And I'm going to curl this how I normally would. I always curl away from my face. I just held it for 3-4 seconds. And while it's still hot, this is kind of hard to see. Oh wait, this is a yellow one. I meant to use the purple. And then I guess start rolling. Okay, maybe it's a little bit easier if you hold it up. It's like sideways. I don't know if it should be this way or it should be like this. I always see people doing it like this, where it's like horizontal, so I'm gonna try doing that. Should I have gone higher? I don't know if I'm gonna have room on the bottom for the yellow ones. Okay, I think that's good. Split this, curl again, and then I'm just gonna do this for literally every section. Using rollers is kind of hard when your hair is really long. This requires some technique for sure. I don't think I'm gonna have space for this one. Also, maybe I should have done my bangs first. Okay, redo. I think this one needs to be like further back or something. Why does it sound so crunchy when I take out the roller? How do people take it out so like smoothly? Alright, I'm recurling the back one. But this time I'm putting it further back in my head. Okay, hopefully that gives me more space to put the other 2 here. I think I'm going to do my bangs now too, because I feel like the bangs are important. For the bangs, actually, I'm going to use the magenta roller. Nice. Okay. This is not a tutorial, if you couldn't tell. This is just an experiment. I'm just taking you guys along the experience with me. Okay, top section. Done. Now let's do the other side. I definitely could have just gotten a bigger barrel instead of a 1-inch like this. Maybe I could have gotten a 2-inch or something if I wanted big, loose, blowout types of waves. But I have always wanted to try curlers. I see a lot of people on TikTok using them. It always just looks so good on people. So I wanted to try it too. I am very easily influenced by TikTok, if you couldn't tell. Not only is it my job to make TikToks for brands, but I just spend a lot of time on there scrolling on my own personal For You page as well. It's a great platform. You can learn a lot of stuff on TikTok and you can get a lot of inspiration on there too. Alright, top section is done. Now, the bottom section, maybe I can just do 2. Like, my hair is pretty thin and these rollers are pretty thick, so I feel like maybe I'll just try 2 sections. Oh my god, this roller is ginormous. I'm rolling all of them like upwards. A lot of people roll them in, but I don't think I like that look. I prefer all my curls to go outward, away from my face. I feel like I look like my grandma. My grandma used to wear her hair in rollers like this. She used much smaller ones though, but when I was little, she would always curl her hair like this. And I think she would even sleep with them in. And I'm like, how? I don't think this would be comfortable at all. I think hers were like the foam rollers though, so they were not as like prickly and pokey as these like Velcro ones. Also my windows are open and my neighbors are walking past, and I have one neighbor that's like very nosy. She's like an older grandma, and every time she walks by my window, she's walking by right now. Okay, she didn't look in today, but I swear every time she walks by, she'll just stare in and just watch as she walks past. I'm like, excuse me, privacy. Like, we do have like 2 sets of curtains. We have like the blackout curtain, and when that one's open during the day, we do have like a sheer curtain behind that to give a little bit more privacy. But I swear she still tries her hardest to look in here every time she walks past. Okay, here's a 360. I have no idea what the back of my head looks like. Alright, all the curls are in. I'm gonna let this sit for like 10-15 minutes and then I'm gonna take it out and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes. I changed my outfit a little bit for the reveal. I'm hoping it's gonna be good. So I got a little bit cute for it. I had to change my shirt, but I realized I can't pull anything over my head because of all the rollers. So I'm wearing this because it has buttons and I was able to just like put it on over my arms and button it. But anyway, let's take it out and see how it looks. I'm also gonna rotate it away from my face while I'm taking the roller out. Okay, it's a nice like loose wave. How do people take it out so seamlessly? Okay, cute. Ow. 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 Okay. Ow! Some people, I see them and they can take it out so quickly. I feel like I am just struggling. What am I doing wrong? If you guys have any tips, let me know. I feel like I'm ripping out a lot of hair here. It truly does sound like ripping Velcro. This side looks good. It's very bouncy. Oh my god. This clip is like stuck. Ugh. This video is just me making weird faces as I curl my hair. Pretty. Ah. I'm tired. Yeah, okay. This is looking good. Oh no, the bangs are way too curly. Oh no. Oh. What is this? The bangs are not banging. Oh my goodness. Yeah, no. I think I need to redo the bangs. BRB. Okay, time to take these out. Oh, perfect. Yeah, that looks great. Just a nice gentle swoop. None of that crazy curly thing going on. Oh yay! Yeah, that looks really good. Okay, now I'm just gonna brush through the rest of my hair. I haven't touched it since I took out the rollers. Okay, it's pretty. Yeah, it has that really nice, like, big looking curl. Okay, I like this. This is really pretty. Does it look like I got a blowout? I don't even know what a blowout is supposed to look like. In my head, it's just like big, voluminous curls. And my curls are definitely bigger and more voluminous than they normally are. So I think for me, this is a win. Here's what the back looks like. It's really pretty, right? I love how this turned out. Yeah, I think this is a success. I know people have been using rollers for decades now, but I've just never used them before. I'm not sure how long it's gonna last though. We'll see. Just keep checking up with Vlogmas because I am gonna be vlogging tomorrow and the next day, every day until Christmas. So you'll be able to see how many days the curls actually last. I feel like you don't even need to use a heat tool. Like, I just did it because I wanted to get some heat onto my hair so that it could cool down and set in the roller. You could also use a straightener instead of a curling iron, but I think you could even use like a blow dryer, or just make sure your hair is a little bit damp. Either do this after your hair has air dried for a bit, or if you're starting from dry hair, then like just spray it with water or something, and then you can put it in the rollers, let it set and all that. But yeah, I'm so happy with this. I'll link the rollers in the description box as well. I got them from Amazon. And that is gonna be it for today's vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Maybe you found this helpful. If you did, leave a like, and I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas day 7. Is it 7? Yes, 7. Okay, bye!